Hello! I'm so glad that you guys are here. Thank you for joining me on this video. Today, as you see, I have my makeup done. We are shooting in my bedroom and honestly, today I was so excited about this video because I was so excited to kind of relive the 2000s because let's face it, I'm not a teenager and it's pretty cool to see these trends to come back. And I even like made myself a little cute little beaded necklace to kind of like fit that year 2K situation. So let's get into these hairstyles. I'll just take out my hair right now. So I recently dyed my hair back to its natural hair color and I am actually really loving it. First things first, I remember having a bunch of these at school. Why do I keep saying that? I just feel like so old. Oh well. I remember having a bunch of these when I was little. So first thing, I'm just gonna put this headband and then I'm actually just gonna quickly put all my hair up and then I'm gonna just bring some hair down like this. Is this thing right? Okay. Oh my god. And there we have it, guys. We have the first year 2K hairstyle. That's kind of cute actually. This one, I couldn't find tiny butterfly clips unless I get them from like Amazon, but I was kind of impatient. So anyways, I'm doing these larger ones, which is totally fine, I think. Anyway, let's part my hair in the middle and then let's scoop and twist. Scoop and twist. And I like to have little hairs on the side and you got it. That's it. So cute. It's so cute and simple. Like recently, because I'm kind of growing out my fringe but not really, still kind of figuring it out, this is such a good little way to kind of put my hair, like my fringe back, because I've usually just been using like these little clips, which they're cute of course, but you know, when I'm doing my makeup it's good to have these. But this is really good just to kind of like give it a nice little youthful vibe. Also, since we are in the clip phase, let me just show you all the clips. I'm so happy that these little clips are like back. Like I used to be so obsessed with them at school. You know what? I'm just gonna quickly show you a few pinned back hairstyles similar to what we just did with different kind of clips that I found. You see how like I dragged and twisted and then put the clip in? That's really cute too. You could just do this. It's such a good thing to just get your hair out of the way, like your fringe out of the way if you're trying to grow it out. What happens if we like try to bring it forward like this? Oh, that's really cute. You can like kind of see like my little baby hairs. Do you see my eyeshadow and my makeup? So the next one I'm gonna use this guy. First of all, I think we should like put our hair back. Again, just like middle parting because I feel like that's what they did back then anyways. Before you tie your hair, like let's just put, see, because I still have like a fringe, so little like hairs out. And then you kind of want it not too high, but a bit more here on the lower part. And then you're gonna twist a little situation. So then you're gonna put it right here. I have a fringe. I'm going to do like a little double situation. Do this. Next up, I guess I've been leaving like the more kind of time consuming ones for later. This hairstyle is something I really remember doing it a lot. I don't know, I thought it was really cute, and it's braided fringe. I don't know, I always thought it was very cute. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, but my mom used to do this for me. I don't know how to do it, but I think you're gonna need maybe like this much. Divide it in 3, and then when you go under, pick it up. Okay, I feel like I kinda accomplished this look. I'll put the picture here. I think my ends need some hydration.
Okay.
But yeah, I remember getting this one or doing like one whole braid situation. Next, let's do some little like space bun situation. So again, where's my comb? There it is. Just gonna like do like a middle-ish part in, and then come here, take half the hair, bring it back, you know the drill. These like little hairs. I'm so hungry. Should probably pause for a break soon. This is cute. This is a look. This is a very, very, very cute look. It's all about just putting these little pins, you know? It just gives you that like 2000s kind of look. But we're not gonna stop there. So then you wanna like kind of like messily twist it, but you want some hair out. Let's just stick them. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is so like Gwen Stefani vibey situation. Ooh. No, seriously, I'm about to go get lunch and I'm in love with this hairstyle. We are back. The next look is like so. I'm just gonna use these elastics now. Same on the other side. That's really cute. And then what's just gonna give us that 2000s vibe is literally just the clips. I'm so upset because I had these cute little smiley faces. I had 2 of them. I don't know where I put it. Why don't we just use the butterfly? Because I got this at the 100 yen store. This one was supposed to be glued on the other way around, but it's not, so my butterfly is gonna be upside down. This is such a cute look. I'll put the original photo here, but look at that. It's really cute. We are going to divide our hair. You're gonna divide it into 4, basically. You're gonna like do these little dudes. So then you look like this. Oh my god, do you know who I look like? I look like Angelica's toy from the Rugrats. We're going to, just gonna twist them. Okay, this is actually a very little cute look. So the final look for today's video is going to be this Lizzie McGuire hairstyle, which is so cute. I remember watching Lizzie McGuire, love Hilary Duff, she's so...
Sorry yesterday, haven't you heard that I'm gonna be okay?
It's kind of like a look that I did earlier, but this time you want to put these guys down here and then shift the little bun to the side. I do have shorter hair, so there's not like the dramatic effect. You want to like just bring some hair down. Again, if you don't have a fringe, that's even better. I think I'm going to again pin my fringe back like this. I know I should have put the headband first. I'm gonna mess up my hair. There we go. Girl. Bring those little fringes Oh, this is so cute. Anyways guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys like these looks. I hope you guys got inspired. Which one was your favorite? I really think that the clipped and the little this look is my favorite style that I would probably wear most days because that's how I like to wear my hair anyways. If you're new here, please subscribe. I am trying to reach 25k. Subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you in my next one.